OMG, your kid has come home from school with the dreaded lice letter. She has lice. You panic. You want to get rid of the lice as soon as possible, but how? Let's start with the basics. Lice are little bugs that feed off of your blood. Nits are lice eggs or eggshells. Once lice get on a head, they're stuck there unless the infested head touches another. After extensive research, we know that the best way to get rid of lice and nits is to physically remove them using the wet combing technique. Why? Because it's the comb, not the chemicals, that gets rid of lice. You see, wet combing is all about removing the live lice and the viable nits from the head. Simply removing the live lice is enough to kill them, and removing the viable nits prevents them from hatching. There's no pesticide or natural solution that can harm or kill nits. That means the only way to ensure that nits won't hatch and continue to spread is to physically remove them. So, how does it work? In order to manually remove lice with the wet combing technique, you need 3 key tools: water, conditioner, and a lice comb. Water is so important in the physical removal process because lice freeze when wet, making it easier to capture and remove them. Conditioner makes the hair much easier to comb through. And you can't use just any comb to remove lice and nits. You need a WelComb. The WelComb is the best lice removal comb on the market because the gap between the teeth is 0.15 millimeters, small enough to capture lice and nits of various sizes. The angle of the beveled tooth edge provides optimum design to get under lice and nits that are stuck on the hair near the root, reducing the chance of slipping past the lice that are living right at the base of the scalp. Most other combs with rounded teeth made out of metal or plastic don't have this feature. And the gap between the teeth of the WelComb is narrower than the smallest nit, unlike other combs with pointed teeth that create larger gaps. So, if you find out your child has lice, don't panic. Just get a WelComb and follow our simple instructions for lice removal. Visit www.welcomb.com for more information.